Hi everyone, Megha here. This is my video. I'm going to start about Google Ads. So this is just an intro part, you can say, where I'll let you know that why to use Google, what is Google Ads actually, and why to use it, when to use it, and how you can use for your business and or if you are handling any individual projects. So this video is basically for the beginners, but if you are expert in other field and you are a business owners, then it's also useful for you. So this video will basically help you to take the decisions like when to use this Google Ads for your business and why to use. So let's start. We will start by knowing that what is the Google Ads actually. However, I have already created a video on that and I have shared on YouTube. You can go through my channel and search for Google AdWords Super Easy PPC Introduction for Everyone. So by this title I have uploaded on YouTube. I will let you go through that. So if you go to the YouTube and search for my name, Megha Agrawal, you will get this channel. When you will click it, you will get another page you will go to, and then you can click on this title Google AdWords PPC Knowledge Hub. This is a playlist actually where you will click and get this video. So here I have shared each and everything about what is Google AdWords. This is the introduction about the Google AdWords. So you can go through that and you can check what is Google AdWords actually. So now move to the second things. Why to
That
choose
is,
Google Ad? So there are many reasons you can choose Google Ads, but basically I have listed down here the top 9 reasons to choose Google Ads. So let's go one by one. The first one is huge audience reach. So as we all know that Google is the only one trending search engines, and all the peoples are going every day on the Googles to search for anything. Like if they are going to buy any product, first they Google it and then they go to local market, or they order
in case
online. They are doing with the services, information and products. You also know that Google is the huge place platform to advertise. So Google have their own audience worldwide, so it's easier to use Google Ads to reach the maximum audience. The second thing is you have full control on your budget. So this means if you go to Facebook, LinkedIn, or other search platform like Bing or Twitter, they have some starting limitation budgets. For example, that you can start the LinkedIn with at least 500 rupees. Otherwise, you will not be able to start your campaign. If you go to Facebook, then they have the initial budget is 40 rupees. You can't start the campaign below 40 rupees. But here in Google AdWords, you don't need to take worry about the budget. Here you can start with 10 rupees even. So I'm not saying that you should start with minimum budget. Means you don't have the limitation of the budget, like at least this budget should be there. So this is the good thing in Google Ads. Let's move to the third thing, that is multiple ad formats. We have basically 5 to 6 ad formats on Google Ads, but generally we use either search ads or display ads or video ads. There are many like call only ads or app installation app, and other is email marketing ads. So there are multiple ads. Basically we use search, display or video ads. In search ads, people come to search for your business. Likewise, they put the query relevant to your business and they directly come and see your ads. If we talk about the display ads, so here Google have their own network, all the people who have created their own website and has been added their websites through Google AdSense. So on those websites, Google shows our display ads. By using Google Ads only, they get the ads to show on their website. The third one is video ad. YouTube is the platform owned by Google. So they have their own video platform. So whenever you are going to set a video campaign, you can show your ads on, or on videos which are running on YouTube. So the next thing is keyword based targeting. If we talk about other advertising platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, or others, so they have their own audience, they have limited audience, so you don't get too much filter option to niche your audience. But here on Google, this is a very best thing that you can target your audience on the basis of keywords they are putting on search engine. They are adding, if they are going to buy a mobile, then they are adding there that what is the review of this mobile. So like that term you can use in your ad, so that on this terms your ad should be shown. And the next thing is, if you move to fifth thing, there is different bidding strategy. Google Ads have basically three ad strategy you can use. The one common non The first one, that is a common knowingly thing, is CPC, cost per click. Means when someone is clicking on your ad, either it's search ad, display ads, or whatever the ads you are running. So if someone is clicking there, then your charge will be deducted. So that is called cost per click. And the second one is cost per thousand impressions, that is CPM. So here basically it's used for display ads. When you are running a display ad, then when it will be reflected to the thousand persons at least, then you will be charged for a thousand impressions. And the third one is cost per execution. So this means uh, you can you if you know, on the basis of the previous data you have run the campaign, like, yeah, we are getting the conversion rate of 100 rupees or 200 rupees or whatever. So you have the ideas, and Google also have some data regarding your campaigns. So now when you will set the campaign for the CPA, then it will known by the Google and you also that around 100 rupees per conversions rate should be charged. So you can add the lump sum value of 100 rupees like that on the basis of your previous history, ad history. So then it will be deducted as per the CPA. So but here there is a case, um, there is a terms, so that on the basis of that only you can apply this CPA strategy. What is this? That you can go through the Google blogs and you can search there that at least 1 month campaign you have already run and you have get some conversions and impressions over there, then only you can start to run the CPA. Otherwise, if you are thinking that from the very first day you should use, then it's not possible. You need some data before starting. Next, go to the next thing is full tracking options. So if we are running on other platform, then it's there are some tracking options, but like Google, where you can see each and everything, like from where the user have clicks, how much time they have viewed your videos, or what the actions they have taken. So each and everything you can track by using Google Ads, which is not applicable on other platforms. I mean, in this broad way you can't track on this broad way. Move to the next things, that is this is 1,000 times quicker than SEO. What happened, that sometimes a person have started their own business and they need some leads from beginning. But if you go to the SEO, then it take around at least 1 to 2 months to show some results. So in that case, what happened, someone wants that simultaneously we need some leads also. So what they do, that they plan to do some paid advertising. So for that purpose, you can use the Google Ads, so that from the very first day, you can start to get some leads, conversions, etc. Whatever the goal you have selected. So it's faster than SEO. You don't need to wait for 2 months or 3 months or more than that. So at starting, you can see the results. The next thing is show your ads to only filtered audience. So here there are a huge number of audience you can see. So in filter you can choose your ad audience as per your products or services whatever you are providing. So you can choose them by their gender, by age, by interest, locations, and more filters are there. So this is the biggest thing Google Ads is providing. The next thing we talk about that is the last ninth point of why to choose Google Ads, that is show your ads to perfect audience, the same things which I have told you earlier. So to sum up, it's all in your control to choose your ad audience and show your business information to whom you want to show, when to you want to show. There are timing slots also. You can show your ads only on some fixed timings or dates. So far we have completed why to use Google Ads. Now move to the next section and we'll know how to use Google Ads. So here I have added the 9 step-by-step process to go for the Google Ads. The first thing is you will need to create a website or a separate landing page. Or if you have already created these things, then you can go to the step 2. So when you have created a website, make sure that some things should be there. The first one is you must add a contact form here on the front page of your website or landing page, so that whenever the person is coming to your website just after clicking your ad, they can fill the information like email ID or phone number, and that information you can use in further campaigns or remarketing. The second thing is create an account on Google Ads. After finishing your website, you need to create a Google AdWords account. Let me show you how to create it. So for that, just go to this link ads.google.com. If you search on the Google, then it will simple like ads.google.com. After going to this link, you will see this information, and if you have already a Gmail account, you can log in here, or else you can start new and sign up there, and then you can follow the process. I already have the email ID and I have registered here. So in separate video, I'll show you the step-by-step process to create a Google Ads account. But here you can go to the sign in, and if you want, if you have already a Gmail account, you can log in here. One thing would like to say on when you are creating a Google AdWords account, so when you process the when you follow the process, there is two things which will never going to change. The first one is location. Once you have added the locations, you are from UK or India or US or whatever the country you are going to sign up, so that will be fixed. Later on you can't do any changes. And the other thing is currency and time zone. So these things will be fixed. So be sure what all the things you are adding over there. So here you learned how to, you know now that how to create the Google Ads in a rough idea. Next, move to the third thing, that is link your Google Ads account to Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a tool offered by Google where you can see all the traffics coming to your website. And inside the Google Analytics, there are many things to see, um, like from where person are clicking your ad or viewing your ads, what the devices they are using, which kind of ads they have seen, how many times they have spent it, or many things. Let me show you a brief insights of Google Analytics. If you search on Google, that is Google Analytics, you will go to that link after finding here. I have opened my Google Analytics page, this tool. I am already logged in. So on this page, I can see the details. In a short, I can see how many bounce rate are there, how many sessions people are spending, and many things you can see inside the Google Analytics. Like I told you, what are the users, from where they are watching your ads or clicking on your ads, which page they have landed, and so on. Very very much information you can get it from Google Analytics. So you need to connect the Google Ads account and Google Analytics, so that whenever you are running a campaign, this a campaign on Google Ads, so after adding Google Analytics to this campaign, all data will be fetched from here and it will be shown in Google Analytics as a report. Next, move to mindset your conversion goal. All the business owners or the clients have their own goal. Might be someone is looking for some calls, some leads, or they are directly want to sell their products. Someone might have their own app and they want to get installed those apps, and some YouTubers also want to get some views on their videos, or if they are running some some offers and all, so like that they have their own goal. So you need to mindset your goal, why you are going to run the campaign, what's your purpose to run the campaign. After following the step 4, you can move to the step 5, that is determine your budget. Everyone have their own budget, have their own limitation. Here is a quick calculation to determine your budget. For example, if you are going to spend 10,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees in a month, then you can divide it by 30.4. Generally in a month there are 30 or 31 days. So if you are going to divide 30.4, then you will get some data like this. I have calculated it on the budget of 1 lakh rupees. So your per day cost will be around 3,200 around. So you can set your per day budget as 3,000 or 3,500 like that, or exact value also you can put over there. So next go to the next point 6, note down your USPs. USPs is the unique sales points. Every product or service have their own features and quality. So when you are going to market your products or business, then you need to show your unique features to the audience. It might be some offers, some additional features, technology. um, for example, you are giving 24/7 service, or free installation, free visit, like that. And these are the USPs. So you need to note down these all your unique USP before creating a campaign. Move further, and this is shortlist your audience. In audience shortlist, you can select those audience who are highly interested in your business or product or services. Google Ads give you the option to select the audience on the basis of their age, gender, device they are using, what the interest they have, in which location you want to show your ads, and there are many other things you can target inside the campaign setting. Now move further. This is structure your campaign. So in structuring the campaign, you need to compile all the information or the steps you have followed above till 7. We decided our budget, audience, we have created our websites, and all those above steps you need to compile here when you are going to create a campaign. So I'll create a separate video for how to create the campaign, and there you can follow the step by step process to do that. This is just an information video, as I told you in beginning. So I'm not going to elaborate all the things here. Otherwise the video will be too lengthy. I'm going to give you a quick demo where you can see how you can start with campaign creation. So I'm going to click on ads.google.com. It will land me to inside the Google Ads campaign. So here I have landed inside the Google Ads dashboard. If you are going to create a campaign, you need to click on this button and then you can use as a new campaign. You can choose your goal here. Randomly, I'm going to choose anyone just for now. I've choose this goal, and now it's on up to you which type of campaign you're going to set. So I'm adding here the search, and here if I'm going to create a search campaign, we need to add the below information. So I can add my website URL, that is mithwin.in. Make sure it should be with HTTP or HTTPS. So once it will open, I'll copy the URL and then I will paste here. It is with HTTP, and then continue. Now here you need to select your audience. So I have added as India, or I can add here the multiple locations too, and then language, audience. Here is the audience selections options. You can choose as per your requirement. I will describe everything in next video. And then you can set here budget like 3,000 rupees per day. And now move further. Here is the bidding strategy, that is clicks, impressions, conversion, that is CPA, and this is CPC, this is CPM. You can also use some site link extensions or callout extensions, and then save and continue. Here you need to give some name of this ad group, and further you can move to create Google Ads, means the ad copy. And here you can create the ad copies by giving the information you want to show to the user, and then click done. This is simple and it will be done. So this is the things how we can use the Google Ads. After creating and setting up your campaign, when you launched, so this is not the finished yet. You need to keep tracking all the things, what all the things are going good, and which things are uh, costing you higher. So after 1 2 days or a week, you need to check it on a regular basis, so that you can get maximum ROI by optimizing your campaign. If you are facing any issue or you think that you are a fresher in that, so either you can learn or you can simply hire a professional also to take care of your Google Ads campaign. Now we will discuss about when to use Google Ads. So there might be multiple reasons to use Google Ads, but here I have shortlisted some top 10 situations when you can use the Google Ads. The first one is, if someone is recently opened their business and they want to earn some leads or conversions for their business, so they can go for the Google Ads, because initially uh, they can also start with the search engine optimization, that is SEO, but it's take too much time, as I said before. So what they think that at the time the Google at the time they are running the SEO things, simultaneously they can also go with the Google Ads, so that uh, since beginning they can get some leads also. The second reason might be if you are running any event for short terms, event or offers. So Again, if you're going for the search engine optimization, then it will take a longer time to show your information on the search engine result page, that is sub page. So here also you can run your campaign. The third thing, you are running some business and you are not satisfied with your current earning just because you are not getting more sales. So in that case, to increase your sales, you can use Google Ads. Next thing is, if you want more return on investment through online advertising, sometimes what happened that you are running your ads on other platform than Google Ads, like Facebook and other. So there might be you are not getting a very good conversion or return on investment. Then you can go for the Google Ads. If you are providing your business, providing your services globally, or you are selling your products globally, then you can easily go with this platform, because Google have their own audience, a very huge audience. So you can easily get maximum ROI and more leads from there. The next thing is, if you want to target only a specific location, gender or age groups for your audience, so in that case, this is the best platform, I can say. If you want to show your ads above your competitors' informations, um, in search engine optimization, when you are working hard and hard on your website to bring it on top, again you can see that above the organic result, there are three top ads running on. So in that case, if you want to lead from your competitors, you can run this ad. If you can't wait to come up on top of the page using SEO techniques, then this is the good option to go with. The next thing is, if you want to get instant lead or conversion for your ad, for your business, which I told you here on the first topic. The next thing, if you have enough money but you don't have too much time to take care of all the activities you are doing online, so because there are many activities to do, but it's not sure that from where you will get the revenue or the leads and all. So this is the safe and best platform you can choose. You can hire someone and you can pay them, and they will run your ads on behalf of you. So this was all about the Google Ads, and this is the things I can help you with, that is get free AdWords support to optimize your campaigns. So I can support you for your campaign auditing if you want, without any cost, uh, in which you can see the details over here, what all things I will do. You can, meanwhile, you can visit my website, or you can also contact me if you want any kind of help in Google Ads or other relevant advertising platform on internet. So you can ask me, you can email me here. I'll be there and I'll respond you. Last, if you like this video, then a thumbs up and like and share and subscribe. Thank you.